Hello. So I just recently had one of my space colleagues share this webpage with me via Twitter. It's called spaceanswers.com, and it touches on the subject of how much of the moon's surface do we actually see here on Earth. And the answer to that was actually 59%. And this is based on the fact that the moon has an elongated orbit around the Earth. So I thought I can explain to you guys the difference between the different types of orbits, what causes different orbits to be elongated or to be shorter, to be actually elliptical, and why we can only see about 50% of the moon's surface. So I'm going to do an experiment for you guys, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to use these two objects. One of them is just a button. I don't remember where I got it from. And this one is just regular ribbon. So I'm going to start by actually just swinging it over my head to express to you guys what an actual orbit looks like. Okay, so all planets, based on Kepler's laws, move in an elliptical orbit around the sun. So this I'm going to try and show in slow motion. Is an elliptical orbit. So say the button is planet Earth and my hand is the sun. We're moving in an elliptical orbit. Sometimes, due to different gravitational pulls, something like the moon may move in something that's more of an elongated orbit, which is the word that I used earlier. This can kind of turn into more of an oval shape. Most of the time, this is actually just due to different gravitational pulls. There could be different things, such as the mass of the moon versus the mass of the Earth, and because of this, is the reason as to why we can actually see 59% of the moon's surface. So what happens is when it's in this elliptical, elongated orbit, we actually will start to see little snippets of the northern and southern poles, and also the eastern and western hemispheres. And that's just because it doesn't move in this exact simple pattern. It's moving and kind of wobbling a little bit. Now, the only reason why we see this one half of the moon is just because while it's rotating, we are rotating with it. So we're constantly rotating with the moon all the time. So we're always seeing the same side. So it'd be like as if I took this camera and rotated with you, but wait, I'm wobbling. Oh, I'm wobbling again. Oh, okay. And because I'm wobbling constantly, you're seeing still this 50% of me, but only a little bit further north, a little bit further south, a little bit further east and west, but you're never actually seeing the other half, which is this. But, you're not seeing it because the Earth and the moon face the same. Anyway, yes. Okay, bye.